Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. In this class we are going to learn 10th standard coordinate geometry exercise number 1. So it's a very important chapter for the board examination. The first question is find the distance between the following pair of the points. So before going to discuss this, you must know what is the distance between the 2 points. So because in this problem we are going to find the distance between the 2 points. So the distance between the 2 points formula is it's a root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So you can take here root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square also. So either x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This formula also you can use. So you will get the result is, that means the same result. And the first question here, the first one given 2 points, so 2, 3, and here it is the 4, 1. So what we do now, the given points we take as this is x1 and this is y1. This is x2, y2. So here I am writing what is x1 equal to y1 equal 3, x2 equal 4, and y2 equal to 1. Okay. Generally the point is there in the form of like x, y. So that the given one we have taken as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now I am going to use the formula to find out the distance between the 2 points. So that the distance is d for distance here, okay, and the formula is root of x2 minus x1, right? So root of x2 minus x1, here x2 is 4 and x1 is 2, okay. So that we write now 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 is 1 minus 3 whole square. That equal root of here 4 minus 2. The result will give, better we write here, okay. Here I am going to continue that answer. This is root of x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 2 is 2 whole square plus, and here 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square, okay, because one positive here and one is negative value. The negative, that means the 3 is the big number having the minus symbol, so that I wrote here minus 2. Then 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 square is again 4, because 2 square, 2 2s are 4, right? So how we write the 2 square? The 2 square we write as 2 2s, that is equal 4, okay. Now here this is root 8, okay. So this is the answer, root 8. Still if you want to write this answer, you can write like 8 we can write as the perfect and non-perfect square combination. That means 4 is the perfect square and 2 is the non-perfect square, right? So 8 we write as 4 2s. Now this here we write as root 4 into root 2. This root 4 value is 2 root 2. So you can write either root 8 is the answer, otherwise 2 root 2 is the one more answer, right? And the next point minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So the next point is minus 5, 7 and the other point, yes, this is 1 minus 1, 3. Now, so as usual, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, okay. So distance formula equal to root of, the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that equal to, here we write now root of, what is x2? x2 is here minus 1, right? So this minus 1, and in the formula we have minus, so that minus we should write, and x1 is minus 5. Don't get confused here. Don't get confused. See here x2 means that minus 1. In the formula we have here minus, that minus I wrote here, okay? And here x1 is they gave that minus 5, so that minus 5 also I have written, okay? Now plus, in the formula we have a plus, so write this plus here, and y2 minus y1. What is the y2 here? This is 3 minus the y1 is 7 whole square, okay? Whole square. So in the next step we write again, this is minus 1. Here you know this minus of minus become a plus, right? 5. So minus of minus is a plus, 5 whole square plus, and this is 3 minus 7, that is equal to minus 4. 3 minus 7 is minus 4, because 1 is a positive number and 1 is a negative number. So definitely we should subtract here. So when we are subtracting from big number to a small number, here big number is a 7, 7 having the minus, so that the result is minus 4. And in the next step again, you see this is a 5 minus 1, this is a 5 plus 5 and minus 1. This result gives us 4 whole square, and here it is minus 4 whole square, right? So 4 square is 16, and minus 4 square is again 16. So 16 plus 16 equal to root of 32. So you can leave root 32, otherwise already I said you, we will write like a combination of a perfect square and non-perfect square also, right? That means 32, if you want to write, you can write 16 twos are 32. So root 16 is, and we write here it is root 16 into root 2. So root 16 value is 4 root 2. Don't forget children, if you have any problem with this answer, if you want to write up to here root 32 also, it's not an issue, right? So you can write root 32 is the final answer, okay? So the next question. Yes, this time we have minus 2 in the third sum. This is minus 2, minus 3 and 3 comma 2. So these 2 points distance we should find. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one as x1, this is y1, x2, y2. Okay, so what is the distance formula? The distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so that equal to root of x2 minus x1. What is x2 in this? Yes, that is the 3 minus, and x1 is minus 2. Don't forget this minus I wrote again here, but x1 result is minus 2, so that we get minus of minus 2 whole square, and y2 2 minus y1 is again minus 3, minus of minus 3 whole square, right? So this equal to, so here we get 3 minus of minus plus 2, 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus of minus again plus 3, 2 plus 3 whole square, right? Root of 3 plus 2 whole square is, that is the 5 square, and 2 plus 3 square, this one also 5 square, 5 square plus 5 square, 5 square is 25, right? So how we write the 5 square? Is equal to 5 into 5, so that it is 25, and here also again 25, 25 plus 25, root 50. Root 50 is the answer actually. Still if you want to write this 50, so how we write 25 twos, right? 25 twos. Here again root 25 is 5 root 2. So like this also you can write this answer. And the last question from the first Roman. It's very important for half mark or 1 mark question. That is a comma b and minus a comma minus b. So this is the question actually they give. So as usual we write now here, this is x1 y1 and take this is x2 y2. Okay, now the distance formula I'm going to write. The distance formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here we write now root of, what is x2? x2 is minus a minus, how I write this minus? This is from the formula, okay? And what is x1? x1 is a whole square, y2 minus y1. y2 is minus b and y1 also in the formula we have minus, that minus I wrote, and y1 is b again whole square. So that equal to root of minus a is minus 2a. Minus a minus a minus 2a, and minus b, that means that two negative b's are equal to negative b, minus 2b whole square. Okay, so the next step what we write, minus 2 square, this is right. See here I'm doing this work, minus 2a whole square, we write minus 2a into minus 2a. This minus 2a becomes plus 4. This a into a becomes a squared. So this is 4a squared. Similarly, minus 2b whole square is 4b whole square, right? Now, how we got 4b square? With the same logic. How we done this one? The same logic, we get 4b square. Now what we do is, from this, we can take 4 common from the both. So if you take 4 common from the both, you have a square plus b square root of, okay? So that this root 4, so we can write the individual like 4 into root of a square plus b square. So root 4 answer is here. Yes, the root 4 value is 2, so that we write 2 root of a square plus b square. This is important for 1 mark questions. So this is the first Roman. So completely we have used the distance formula. Using this one we are going to solve some more interesting problems. That is yes. So you can see the question here. So find the distance between the 2.0, 0 and 36, 15. So my dears, you can take again here it is x1 y1, x2 y2, right? So tell me what is x1 now. This x1 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 36 and y2 equal to 15. Okay, so distance formula now, using the root of x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, it's 2. Yes, the x2 is 36 minus 0 whole square plus y2 15 minus 0 whole square. Okay, now 36 square. The 36 square mean we write 36 into 36. Okay, so 36 into 36, 6 6 are 36 and 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. Similarly 2 3s are 6, sorry 2 3 6 are 18 and 3 3 9 plus 1 is 10. Then you get here 6 9 2 1 means 1296 plus this is 15 square. 15 minus 0 is 15. 15 square is 225. So if you add 225 for this, okay, of course this is the root. Okay, by adding the both we get here this is 11. So 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 is 5 and this is 1521. So this is the answer for this question. Here we can use one more formula, that is it's very important bit also. The distance between the origin 0, 0 is the origin, right? The distance between the origin, x, y, the formula is root of x square plus y square. Okay, so when we have a 1 point origin like this and when other point given like x, y, so you can use the formula directly, this one. I mean, by using this formula, how to solve it? Root of 36 square plus 15 square and that is equal to, here I did root 36 mean that is 1296. 15 square is 225. So by adding the both we get 1521. So this one also is one of the model. So when should we use this formula? When origin has given. When origin and a point like x comma y has given, then you can use this formula root of x square plus y square. Actually here we should find out what is the value of 1521. So if you find the square root of this number, you will get 39. So we should write the final answer is 39. So here is the next very important model, that is the determine if the points, the given 3 points are collinear or not. So my dears, what is the meaning of the collinear? Collinear means the points which lies on the same line. The points which lies on the same line. For example, here I am taking a line like this. Now on this, if I have a points like this is something, okay, here a point something like A, and here it is B, and this is C. Now the distance between the 2 points, for example the distance between the 2 points AB, for example 3, just it is for example, okay, and the distance between the 2 points something like, okay, 5. Then if the distance between these 2 points AC, this one may be 8, okay. Now you can observe this 3 plus 5, this 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, so that these ABC are collinear points, okay. So this is the model to prove whether it is a collinear points or not, okay. So now let us take the points, the given points. Let A 1, 5, B 2, 3, and C minus 2, minus 1. Now I am going to find the distance between AB. So A 1, 5, B 2, 3. So this is the point x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Now what is the distance between the 2 point formula? That is, distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is x2 in this? The x2 is, yes, root of x2, that is 2 minus 1 whole square. y2 is 3 minus 5 whole square, okay. So root of 2 minus 1 is 1, this is 1 square, and 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. So that root of 1 square is 1 plus minus 2 square is, that is minus 2 into minus 2 you get plus 4 is the answer. So root of 5 is the distance between AB. Now I am going to take the distance between the next 2 points, that is BC. So B2, 3, and C is minus 2, minus 1. So here again we take like this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, okay. So here we have it is y2, okay. So as usual the distance between the 2 points already I wrote here. So now I am going to apply directly that formula, root of x2 minus x1. x2 is minus 2 minus, and x1 is again minus 2, okay. So x1 is 2, okay. This formula is from this minus I wrote from the formula, okay, square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? This is minus 1 minus 3. y2 minus y1 means minus 1 and minus 3 whole square, this equal to, so by minus 2 minus 3 it become minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 again it is minus 4 whole square. So minus 4 square is plus 16, and here minus 4 square is there, again it is plus 16. So 16 plus 16 equal to 32, okay. So root 32. So this root 32, if you want to convert like a perfect and non-perfect square combination, that means this is we write as 16 2's, okay. So root 16 value is, that is 4 root 2. So this root 16 is 4 here, so 4 root 2 is the value of, the distance between BC. Okay, so it's very clear here. AB distance we got, this is root 5, and the BC distance we got, it is 4 root 2. Now we should find what is the distance between A and C. So what is the point A? The point A is given 1, 5, right? So 1, 5, and C is -2, -1. Okay, so the distance between these 2 points, to find the distance between these 2 points, here I'm taking again as usual x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Now the distance between the 2 point formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so that equal, now we write root of x2 minus x1, x2 is -2 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, -1 minus y1 is -5 whole square, that equal root of -2 minus 1 is -3 whole square plus -1 minus 5 -6 whole square. Okay, so -2 minus 1, x2 is -2, x1 is 1, -2 minus 1, that is -3 whole square, y2 is -1, y1 is -5, so this is -6 square. So -3 square is, we get 9, and -36 square is, -6 square is 36, right? 6 square is, see, -6 square is nothing but -6 into -6, minus of minus is plus, 6 6 are 36 is the result of -6 whole square. Now by adding root of 36 plus 9, this is root 45. How we write root 45 again? Yes, that is 9 5s are 45. So root 9 value is, see, we write root 9 into root 5. Root 9 value is, this is 3 root 5. Okay, now we will verify. That means AB plus BC result is equal to AC or not. So to verify this, you can observe AB we got root 5 and BC we got 4 root 2. That point we should note here. So once again, what we got AB? So AB equal to, we got root 5. Okay, and BC we got, so what is the BC here? Yes, it's a 4 root 2. BC we got a 4 root 2. Now here AC we got in this 3 root 5. Okay, now we should check whether these points means sum of the two distance, maybe that means if AB plus BC is equal to AC, yes, it is collinear point. And one more important point I want to discuss with you. Here I have taken example like AB plus BC. In this case I said just this AB plus BC result, if gives AC, then ABC are the collinear, I said. Okay, when B is a point, it lies between A and C, then AB plus BC is equal to AC, you have to put. First, suppose C is a point, it lies between A and B. Okay, so here we'll explain you. For example, C is a point, it lies between A and B. In this case, you have to prove AC plus CB is equal to AB. Or if A is a point, is lies between B and C like this, then you have to prove BA plus AC, that is equal to BC. Finally, what I am trying to say, the sum of the distance, by observing we can understand here. By observing we can understand the sum of the two. Like for example, if I take AB plus BC, this AB plus BC, AB value is, see, root 5 value is 2.236. Okay, and the BC value is BC. This is AB. Okay, BC we got 4 root 2. 4 root 2 means 4 into the root 2 value is 1.414. So 4 into 1.414, that means it is by multiplying these two, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5, and again 4 4s are 16, 4 1 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5.656 is the result of BC. The next one, if I want to find AC, what about AC result? 3 into root 5 again, this is 2.236. So by multiplying these both, we will get 3 6 18, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, and 3 2s are 6, 6.708. Now let us discuss the sum of any two. For example, by adding this one and this one, here you can see it is 2 point something, it is 5 point something, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, which is more than 6, so not equal. Or if you want to take this 2 and plus 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, so this 8 is more than this 5, so not equal. Like that, if you compare with any two sides, by adding with any two sides, okay, so the result should not give equal to the distance between the third case. Are you following what I am saying? That means in this case it's very clear, AB plus BC, AB plus BC is not equal to AC, so that ABC are not a linear. Therefore we can write here the given points are not a collinear, okay. It's very important model. Next important question here, check whether the given 3 points are the vertices of isosceles triangle or not. So what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Yes, the triangle which have the two sides are the same length, right? Any two sides having the same length, then this is called what is that? Yes, it is isosceles triangle. So to prove it is isosceles triangle or not, what we have to prove, the length of the two sides, length means nothing but the distance, so distance between the any 2 points are equal. That means the given 3 points I am going to take, let A 5 minus 2, B 6 comma 4, and C 7 minus 2. Okay, so in this case, what is the distance between AB? Okay, I'm going to take the 2 points like A 5 comma minus 2 and B 6 comma 4. So from this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, now what's the distance formula? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so now we should find the distance between AB. So that AB is here x2 is 6 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus y1 is minus 2 again, right? Minus of minus whole square, then 6 minus 5 that equal to 1. So 6 minus 5 is this equal to 1 square plus 4 minus of minus, it gives plus 2 whole square. So that 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 6, so 6 square. So finally we get here 1 plus 6 square equal to 6 6 are 36, right? So root of 1 plus 36, that equal to root of 37. So this is the distance between AB. Now I am going to find the distance between BC. B is a point 6 comma 4 and C is a point 7 minus 2. So here this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, so BC that equal to root of x2 minus x1 7 minus 6 whole square and y2 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus 4 whole square, that equal to 7 minus 6 is 1, so this is 1 square plus minus 2 minus 6 again, sorry, minus 2 minus 4 again, it is minus 6 whole square, so 1 square is 1 plus minus 6 square is 36. So root of 1 plus 36 equal to root 37. Yes, we got here AB and BC distance are same, root 37. So let us check what about AC. A is 5 minus 2 and C is 7 minus 2. What about these two distance we will discuss, okay? So A is a point, this is 5 minus 2 and the C is 7 minus 2. So as usual, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now AC equal to root of square root of x2. x2 is 7 minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus y1 is again minus 2 whole square. This equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus minus again it is plus 2 whole square, right? So that this is 2 square is 4, and here you can observe minus 2 plus 2 it is 0 square. So 0 square is 0. So then 4 plus 0, that is equal to root 4. Root 4 answer is 2. So once again we discuss what we got. AB, yes, AB equal to root 37, BC equal to root 37 and AC equal to 2. So now you can check here, these two sides are equal, AB and BC sides are equal. So therefore ABC is a isosceles triangle. So ABC is an isosceles triangle. In case if the three sides, so three sides mean AB, BC and AC, we got the different sides, then it is not an isosceles triangle, that is called a scalene triangle. If the three sides are equal, that means AB root 37, BC root 37, AC also if we get root 37, that is equilateral triangle, because in a triangle the three sides are equal, that the triangle we called it is equilateral triangle. The next question on my screen, that is in his classroom, 4 friends are seated at the point A, B, C, D as shown in the given figure. So Jarina and Funny walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Jarina asks Funny, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Funny disagree. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Why? Okay, so we should find first of all what are the vertex here, A, B, C, D. Okay, so just you can observe on the screen, the vertex A is, and check this point, here it is 3 comma 5, sorry 3 comma 4. Okay, because if you observe here, this is 3 and here the point is 4, so 3 comma 4 is a point, and the vertex B is, so here you can observe this is 6 and this is 7, so 6 comma 7 is a point. And what about the C? The C is 9 comma 4. Okay, 9 comma 4, and the point D is, this is 6 comma 1. Okay, so let us take the points. So let A is, this is 3 comma 4, and what about the B here? B is 6 comma 7, and the C, this is 9 comma 4, and D is 6 comma 1. Okay, so ABCD is the 4 points here. Now we should find the distance between AB, because the square mean the square. So just you can observe what I'm joining here. So when we join this vertex, okay, If it is a square, the four sides are equal and its diagonals also equal. So we have to prove the four sides are equal and the diagonals are equal, then it is a square. So first, to prove that four sides are equal, we should take the distance formula. The distance formula is distance formula here, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so here is a point, the distance between AB, A 3, 4 and the B 6, 7. Okay, so this is like xy, x1, y1, and here we have like x2, y2. So then AB equal to root of x2 minus x1, that means 6 minus 3 whole square, and y2 minus y1 7 minus 4 whole square, that equal to 6 minus 3 is 3 square, 7 4 is this one also 3. It's a 3 square. Okay, 3 square is 9, and here we have a 3 square is 9. So this 9 plus 9 equal to root 18. Root 18 we write as 9 2's. Okay, so that root 9 means again it is 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 is the distance between the 2 points AB. Now we should find the distance between BC. So what's the B here? Already we have taken B from the figure. This is B equal to 6, 7. C equal to, this is 9, 4. So the distance between the 2 points, as usual, this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Now the distance formula, so BC equal to root of x2 minus x1, here x2 is 9 minus x1 is 6, so 9 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 4 minus 7 whole square, so that equal to root of 9 minus 6 is again it is 3, so 3 square plus 4 minus 7, again it is minus 3, so minus 3 square. So root of 9 square, 3 square is 9 plus minus 3 square, again it is 9. So that root of 18, this root 18 again we can write as 9 into 2. So root 9 value is 3, so that it is again 3 root 2. This is BC length. Now we should take CD. What is C here? Yeah, C is 9, 4 and the D is 6, 1. So the points as usual, this is x1, y1, and take this is x2, y2. So now we can take as usual the formula to find CD length. Okay, so x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 9 whole square, and y2 minus y1, 1 minus 4 whole square. This equal to root of 9 minus 6 minus 9 is minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 whole square. So that this is root of minus 3 whole square is plus 9 minus 3 whole square is plus 9, that equal to root 9 plus 9 is 18. So again root 18 we write as root 9 into 2, because 9 2's are 18. So root 9, this root 9 value is 3, and we have root 2, so 3 root 2 units. Okay, so actually for this all length we have to write units. Okay, so this is the length of CD. The next length we should find, that is AD. So A is here 3, 4 and the D is 6, 1. So A is 3 comma, so once again A is 3 comma 4, and the D is this is 6 comma 1. So once again let us confirm that yes, A is 3 comma 4, so this is the point A, it's a 3 comma 4, and the D is a point here, it is 6 comma 1. So we should find the distance between these 2 points. So as usual, this is x1 y1 and here it is x2 y2. Now we should use the distance between the 2-point formula, so that AD equaled, we get now root of x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 3 whole square and 1 minus 4 whole square. Okay, so 6 minus 3 is, this is 3 square, plus 1 minus 4, this is minus 3 whole square, then the 3 square is 9 and minus 3 square is 9, root of 9 plus 9, that equal to root 18. So this root 18 again we write as, that is 9 into 2, that equal to 3 root 2 units. Okay, so these are the sides, the 4 sides we found. Next we should find diagonal. What's the diagonal? Here in the figure you can see what's diagonal. So if you join these 4 sides, okay, so here the diagonal is AC and BD. Okay, so AC and BD distance we should find out. The AC is here 3 comma 4, A is 3 comma 4, and C is 9 comma 4. Okay, A 3 comma 4, C is 9 comma 4. So we write the points here, A 3 comma 4 and C 9 comma 4. So this distance we should find, right? So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So the AC length is root of x2 minus x1, this is 9 minus 3 whole square, and y2 minus y1, this is 4 minus 4 whole square, that equal to root of 9 minus 3 is 6 square, plus 4 minus 4 is 0 square, right? That is equal to root of 6 square is 36 plus 0. Root 36 plus 0 is nothing but, this is root 36, which is equal to 6. Okay, next BD distance we should find. What is B from the figure? Yes, B is a point, this is 6 comma 7, right? B is 6 comma 7 and the D is 6 comma 1. B is the point 6 comma 7 and D is 6 comma 1. So that we should use the formula. Yes, this is as usual x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now what is BD distance? The BD distance is root of x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 6 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 7 whole square. So that equal to root of 6 minus 6 is 0 square and 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square. That equal to root of 0 minus 6 square is 36. So finally it is root of 36, which is equal to 6. So finally what we conclude here? So here we conclude all sides are equal. But all sides are equal here, that is AB equal BC equal CD and DA. These 4 sides are equal, and the diagonal, that is AC, is equal to BD. Okay, so 4 sides are equal and the diagonals also equal. So what we call this, the figure is that ABCD is a square. If ABCD is a square, once again we can move to the statement. So the statement, the Jarina is asked, so isn't a square? Yes, it is a square. Then who is the correct? Jarina is the correct. Okay, so we write here answer that Jarina is correct. Okay, so it's a very important model. So how to find maybe it is how to prove it is a square or a rhombus or it is a parallelogram. So the process is the same like this. So total 6 length we have to find. What are that 6 length? That is the 4 sides ABCD, 4 sides ABCD and its diagonals, that is AC and BD also we should find. Okay, so this is the concept. 4 sides must be proved equal and the diagonals we must prove equal, then it becomes a square. Show that the following points form an equilateral triangle. So what is the meaning of equilateral triangle? The equilateral triangle means having 3 sides are equal. So you can observe on the screen. So I have taken a triangle. So this triangle name as A, comma 0, and here is the B, minus A, comma 0, and this is the point C. This is 0, comma A root 3. Okay, so these are the 3 points are given here. Now we should find the distance between the 2 points. So what is the distance formula? Distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now we are going to find the distance between AB. So point A is A, comma 0 and point B is minus A, comma 0. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Okay, so AB equal root of x2 minus x1 means what is x2 here? Minus A minus x1, that is minus A whole square, minus y2 0 minus y1 is again 0 whole square, that equal to root of minus A minus 2A whole square minus 0 square, that equal to root of minus 2A whole square is, that is plus 4A square, right? Minus 2A whole square means we write actually minus 2A into minus 2A. Here minus 2 into minus 2 you get answer is 4, A into A answer is A square. So 4A square is the answer, that is equal 4 into root A square, right? So root 4 is 2 and root A square is A. So 2A units is the answer for this one. BC we are going to find. B, once again what is the B here? Minus A, comma 0, right? Minus A, comma 0 and the C is 0, comma root 3, right? So 0, comma A root 3. So now we can take this is like this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so that this is root of x2, this is 0 minus of minus A whole square, y2 this is A root 3 minus 0 whole square, that equal to, so 0 plus A whole square plus A root 3 minus 0 whole square. So A square plus A root 3 whole square. Now here we have this is actually A square plus A square into root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. Then we get here it is A square plus here it is 3 into A square. So we write 3A square is equal to root 4A square. So root 4A square, root 4 is 2 and A square is A. So this is 2A units. So that is the length of BC. So we have finished AB and BC. The next we should find AC length. So what is AC? Once again we check what is A. A is A, comma 0 and C is 0, comma A root 3. Okay, so AC we should find. A is a comma 0 and C is 0 comma a root 3. Okay, so AC distance, AC is equal to root of, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus 0 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, this is a root 3 minus 0 whole square. Then we get here root of x2 minus x1, that is 0 square, and just you can observe here, so x2 minus x1, sorry, minus x1 is here, we have a, right? So then we get here a square minus a square here, plus this is a root 3 whole square, and in the next step we write root of minus a square is a square, plus here again it is a square, and here we have root 3 whole square. Square root get cancelled, that equal to root of a square plus 3a square, that equal to root of 3a square plus a square is 4a square, which is equal to 2a units. So what we conclude from this, we got AB equal, BC equal, AC equal to, so these three we got 2a units. So that means the three sides of a triangle are equal, so that the triangle, that means the vertices of a triangle like ABC can form here equilateral triangle. So it's a very important model, and we can discuss what's the next question. Yes, so prove that the points, so 4 points are given here, taken in the order of the corners, right? So order of the corners, then we have to prove the 4 vertices can form a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides mean we have to prove AB equal to CD, and here BC equal to AD, correct? So this opposite sides we must prove it is equal. Now I am going to take again the distance formula. The distance formula is root of, as usual, this is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that now I am going to take AB. What is A here? This is minus 7 minus 3 I am taking here. And first of all you should write, you should give the name what is ABCD here. A is minus 7 minus 3 and B 5 comma 10. So C, this is 15 comma 8 and the D is 3 comma minus 5. Okay, so now I am going to find AB. So B is here 5 comma 10 and this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, right? So that AB equal to root of x2 minus x1, right? 5 minus half minus 7 whole square. Y2 minus y1, that is 10 minus half minus 3 whole square, right? That means this is 7. So 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 whole square, and this is 10 plus 3 whole square. So that root of 5 plus 7 is 12 square, 10 plus 3 is 13 square. Okay, so root of 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. Now we must add this both. So what is 144 and 169? So 9 plus 4 equal to 13, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1 is 11 and plus 1, 3. So this answer we have root of 313 units. Okay, so AB length, here it is 313, root of 313. Okay, now we should find its opposite side, right? Now what is the opposite side here? CD. So what is C? 15 comma 8 and D is 5 comma minus 3. So C 15 comma 8 and D is 3 minus 5, right? This is 3 minus 5. So that this is x1, y1 and here we have x2, y2. Now root of x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 15 whole square, y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 8 whole square, right? That means, so root of 5 minus 15, 3 minus 15, that is minus 7, sorry, minus 12 whole square, and minus 5 minus 8 minus 13 whole square. That equal to, in the next step, 12 square is 144 plus 13 square is 169. By adding both we get root of 313 units. So here it's very clear. We proved AB. Okay. So once we check the previous, so here AB is 3 root 13 and it opposite side CD also we got 313, root of 313. So AB equal to CD we proved here. So we write that point we proved here, AB equal to CD. This is one of the condition, right? Now we should take the other two sides. So what are the other two sides? Just to observe here, AD and BC we should find. This is AD and the length of BC we should find now. So A is here minus 7 minus 3 and the D is 5 minus 3. So once again here A is, yes, A minus 7 minus 3 and D 5 minus 3. 3 minus 5. D is 3 minus 5. So again we take this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Now the formula is root of x2 minus x1, so that 3 minus of minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1, this is minus 5 minus of minus 3 whole square. That means root of, this is what, 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 whole square plus of minus 5 plus 3 whole square. Okay, that means here it is root of 3 plus 7 equal to 10, 10 square and this is minus 2 whole square. So that 10 square is 100 and the 2 square is 4. So that this is root of 104. Okay, so root of 104 unit is the answer of this question. Similarly, the next one, we have to take BC. So what is B here? B is 5 comma 10 and C is 15 comma 8. 5 comma 10 and C is 15 comma 8. Right, so x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so that we take here BC root of x2, this is 15 minus 5 whole square, 8 minus 10 whole square. Okay, so 15 minus 5 is, this is 10 square, 8 minus 10 is minus 2 square. So that 10 square is 100, 2 square is 4, that equal to root of 104 units. Okay, so therefore here what we conclude now? We conclude this is AD and here it is BC. So we conclude here AD equal to BC. That means these two also opposite sides. So opposite sides of a parallelograms are finally we proved equal. So, yes, now you can check here in the figure. So already you proved AC is equal to, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. That means those are opposite sides of a parallelogram. Now we have to prove the diagonal AC and BD. So if AC and BD both are equal, that means opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are equal, it become actually a rectangle. But we have to prove here AC and BD are not equal now, because already we proved opposite sides are equal. If the diagonals are not equal, then it become a parallelogram. So what is A here? So A minus 7 minus 3, C 15 comma 8. So we take this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, so that AC is equal to root of x2 minus x1. So 15 minus half minus 7 whole square, y2 minus y1, 8 minus half minus 3 whole square. Okay, so that equal 15 minus half minus plus 7 whole square plus 8 plus 3 whole square. Then 15 plus 7 is 22 square, 8 plus 3 11 square. So 22 square is, this is, you can check 22 square, actually it's 484. So how it is, just to check, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4, again 2 2s are 4, so 2 2s are 4, 4 8 4, so 484 we get, plus 11 square is 121. So 484 plus 121 is 5, 8 plus 2 is 10, and this is 605. So root of 605. Okay, so now here we should take BD length. The B is 5 comma 10 and D 3 minus 5. So that this is again x1 y1, x1 y1, and this is x2 y2. Now BC is equal to, so root of x2 minus x1, then 3 minus 5 whole square, y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 10 whole square. So that 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square, and this is minus 15 square. Okay, so minus 2 square is plus 4 and 15 square is 225. So 4 plus 225 is root of 229. So once we check here, what is the length of the BD? So x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 5, which is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. And y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 10, that is equal to minus 15 square is 225. By adding the both, we got root 229. Now you can observe either this one or this one. So here clearly we conclude that the diagonals are not equal. AC is not equal to BD. So finally what we conclude from this, opposite sides are equal but the diagonals are not equal. Therefore we conclude ABCD form a parallelogram. In case if diagonals also equal, that means opposite sides are equal, here diagonal AC and BD also equal, then it become a rectangle. Show that the points minus 4 minus 7 minus 1 comma 2, 8 comma 5, 5 minus 4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus. So what is the condition to prove it is a rhombus or not? Yes, the four sides we have to prove equal and the diagonals are not equal. So four sides must be equal, the diagonals are not equal. Now we have to prove the four sides are equal and the diagonal AC and BD are not equal. Then it is a rhombus. Now let us start our answer by taking A minus 4 minus 7, B minus 1 comma 2, C 8 comma 5, D 5 minus 4. Okay, so now the distance formula is, see, these all problems are dependent on only one formula, that is the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so that now here I am going to take that is a, so a minus 4 comma 7, minus 7 actually, and p is minus 1 comma 2, so that this is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Then what we get BC, or sorry AB, this is root of x2 minus x1, x2 is minus 1 minus x1 is minus 4. Okay, so minus 1 minus of minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, this is 2 minus of minus 7 whole square. Okay, then we get here minus 1 plus 4 whole square, and y2 minus y1, this is 2 plus 7 whole square, so that we get here root of 4 minus 1 is 3 square, because here you can observe 4 minus 1 is 3, here 2 plus 7 is 9 square, so that equal to root of 3 square is 9 and 9 square is 81, that is equal to root of 81 plus 9 is 90, root 90. Still if you want to write, it is like root 90, we can write 9 into 10, so root 9 answer is 3 root 10 units, 3 root 10 units. Okay, so this is the side of AB. Now we should discuss what about the remaining sides also. Now I am going to find the length of the BC. So the B is a point, this is minus 1 comma 2, and C, you can observe here what is the C, this is 8 comma 5. Okay, so this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, so BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1, this is 8 minus of minus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, this is 5 minus 2 whole square. Okay, so that this is root of 8 plus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. So what is 8 plus 1? This 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 square, and 5 minus 3 is 5 minus 2 is, here 5 minus 2 you will get it is 3 square. Okay, so root of 9 square, root of 9 square is 81 plus 3 square is 9, that equal to, so we get now root 90. So how we write root 90? Already we have written root 90, we can write as 3 root 10 units. So here BC also we got 3 root 10 unit. Okay, now we should find what is the next side, CD. So what is C here? This is 8 comma 5 and the D is 5 minus 4. So as usual, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, so that CD equal to root of x2 minus x1, that means 5 minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1, this is minus 4 minus 5 whole square. Then you get CD equal 5 minus 8 is minus 3, minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 whole square, this equal to minus 3 square is 9 and minus 9 square is 81, which is equal to root of 90. Root 90 is equal to 3 root 10 units. So here we got CD also 3 root 10 units. Next we should find what is the length of AD. Yes, what is A given here? A is minus 4 minus 7 and D, so what is AD length? This one, this is the AD, okay? So the D is 5 minus 4, so that AD equal root of, so what is x1 here? This is x1, y1, this is x2 and y2. So root of x2 minus x1, that means this is 5 minus of minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus of minus 7 whole square. Okay, so this equal to root of 5 minus of minus, it is plus 4 plus minus 4. Observe here, this is minus 4 minus 7, minus of minus become plus, right? Plus 7 square. So that equal to root of 5 plus 4 is 9 square, and this is 7 minus 4, right? 7 minus 4 you get, it is 3, so 3 square. This equal to root of 81. 9 square is 81 and 3 square is 9. So this equal to root of 90. Root 90 again we write as 3 root 10. 3 root 10 unit. Okay, so this is AD. So finally here we got 4 sides are equal. Now we should find what is the length of AC and BD. Okay, so here I am writing what is A. This is minus 4 comma minus 7 and C is 8 comma 5, right? Okay, so as usual this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So AC equal to, the formula is x2 minus x1, then 8 minus of minus 4 whole square, y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 7 whole square. So 8 plus 4, this is 8 plus 4 whole square, and here it is 5 minus of minus plus 7 whole square. Then so 8 plus 4 is 12, this is 12 square, and 5 plus 7 again 12, so 12 square. Root of 12 square is 144 plus again this 12 square is 144. So 144 plus 144 equal to root of 288. 288. So root 288 we write as 144 2 times, right? 144 2s are 288. So root of 144 answer, this is 12 root 2. Okay, root 144 is 12 and we have root 2. So AC is equal to 12 root 2. Next we should find BD. So what is the B here? Minus 1 comma 2, D is 5 comma minus 4. Okay, so D minus 1 comma 2 and D is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. Okay, so this is x1, y1 and x2, y2. So BD equal to root of x2 minus x1, this is 5 minus of minus 1 whole square, and y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to root of 5 plus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 whole square. So that here we have 5 plus 1 is 6 square and minus 6 whole square. So root of 6 square is 36 plus 36, which is equal to root of 72. So how we write root 72 again? That is root of 36 into 2. Root 36 answer is 6 root 2. So this is the length of BD. Finally, what we conclude here is B equal BC equal CD equal DA, and AC is not equal to BD. So sides are equal, 4 sides are equal, but the diagonals are not equal. So that therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, so if it is a rhombus, then the question is asked here, what is area of a rhombus, right? So area of a rhombus formula half d1 d2, right? Half into d1 into d2. So what is d1 and what is d2? So half into d1 is the first diagonal. The first diagonal we got here in the before page, that is 12 root 2, right? So we write here it is 12 times of root 2, and d2 here we have 6 root 2. This 6 root 2 we write now. Now we can cancel here 2 1 and 2 6 times will get cancelled. Then we have there 6 into 6, 36. Root 2 into root 2 equal to root 4. So finally we get 36 into root 4 is 2, that is equal to 72 square units. So it's a very most important problem for 4 marks. Name the type of a quadrilateral form, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. So 4 vertices are given here. So we should find these 4 vertices are belongs to which quadrilateral. That means whether it is a square, parallelogram, or rectangle, or a rhombus. So we should decide. So how can we find? How can we decide the given 4 vertices are belongs to which quadrilateral? Yes, you are right. By finding its distance. So the 4 vertices we should take as A -1, -2, B 1, 0, C -1, 2, and D -3, 0. So these are the 4 vertices are given. So what we do, we should find the distance between AB, and the distance formula is here. Distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so A -1, -2, B 1, 0. So this is what x1, y1, x2, y2. So AB equal to root of x2 minus x1, that is -1 minus x1 is again -1 whole square, y2 minus y1 0 minus y1 is -2 whole square, that equal to root of 1 minus of minus plus 1 whole square, 0 minus of minus plus 2 whole square, that equal to root of 1 plus 1 is 2 whole square, and this one also 2 square, because 0 plus 2 is 2. So root of 2 square is 4, and again 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. This is root 8. So this root 8 still we can write as, see, better if you have a doubt how to write a root 8, just you can divide into prime factors like 2 4s and this is 2 2s. Okay, so root 8 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now we know very well from every two numbers to get the square root, from every two number we should take 2 is a common, and we have this root 2 again, so this is 2 root 2, so that this 8 we can write as the 2 root 2. The next we should find the distance between BC. So what is the B here? B is 1, 0 and C is -1, 2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1, that is -1 minus, here x1 is 1, this one we should write -1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 0 whole square, that equal to -1 is -2 whole square, and y2 minus y1, 2 minus 0 is 2 square. So root of -2 whole square is +4 and 2 square is again 4. Root of 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So root 8 we can write as again like previous one, like 2 into 2 into 2. So take from this 2 is 1 2. That is actually root 4 value is 2, so that the 2 I have written outside and this 2 should be written inside of the root. Now the 2 root 2 is the answer for root 8. So this is the length of the BC. Next we should find the length of CD. So what is C? This is -1, 2. Now D is -3, 0. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So the distance between CD now, root of x2 minus x1, this is -3 minus x1 is again -1 whole square, y2 minus y1, y2 is 0 minus y1 is 2 whole square. So that this is -3 minus of minus, we get +1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, this is 0 minus 2 minus 2 whole square. Now we can observe here this -3 plus 1, that is equal to -2. 1 minus 1 plus is there, we should subtract from big number to a small number, the big number having a minus symbol, so that it is -2 whole square plus this one also a -2 whole square. So -2 whole square is 4, again -2 whole square is +4, 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8. So root 8 we can write here like this, the answer is 2 root 2. This is the length of CD. So finally here AB, BC, CD, these three got equal. The next what we should check, that is AD. So what is A here? It is -1, -2, and the D is -3, 0. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So the distance AD equal to root of x2 minus x1, that is -3 minus of -1 whole square. So don't forget here this minus is belongs to the formula, and x1 is -1, so that 2 times we should write minus of minus plus y2 minus y1, y2 0 minus in the formula Again y1 is, that is minus 2. Minus of minus 2 whole square. So root of, this is minus 3. Minus of minus is plus 1 whole square. Plus this is 0. Minus of minus plus 2 whole square. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 whole square and plus 2 whole square. So minus 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is again 4. So root of 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Now, so what we conclude, 4 sides are equal. So 4 sides are equal here, so that maybe it is a square or it is a rhombus. To confirm whether it is a square or rhombus, next we should check its diagonals. Diagonals mean, for example, if quadrilateral is there like this, ABCD. So what we prove here, this AB is 2 root 2, BC 2 root 2, CD 2 root 2 and DA also 2 root 2. So we don't know what about its diagonal, because 4 sides are equal mean maybe it is a square or it is a rhombus. To confirm whether it is a square or rhombus, we should check its diagonal. If the diagonals are equal, that is AC distance equal to BD distance, then it is a square. If the diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. So we should find the diagonal, that is AC length. So what is A here? This is minus 1 comma minus 2 and C is minus 1 comma 2. So this is x1, y1 and x2, y2. So AC distance, AC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 again. This is minus 1 minus x1 is minus 1 whole square. y2 minus y1, this is 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. So AC root of minus 1 plus 1 whole square. Then this is 2 minus of minus plus 2 whole square. So root of minus 1 plus 1 is 0. This is 0 square. 2 plus 2 is 4. This is 4 square. So root of 0 plus 4 square is 16. That equal to 0 plus 16 is 16. So root 16 equal to 4 units. Okay. Actually the distance we should write in units. So it is a 4 units. The next we should find the distance between the BD. So B is 1 comma 0 and here D is minus 3 comma 0. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So the distance between BD, this is root of minus 3 minus x2 minus x1, right? Minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, this is 0 minus 0 whole square. So root of minus 1 minus 3, this is minus 4 whole square and 0 square. So that minus 4 square is 16 plus 0. 16 plus 0 is 16. So root 16 equal to 4 units. So here now diagonals also equal. That means it is a square. See, we proved AB equal, BC equal, CD equal, DA or AD. Okay, so 4 sides are equal. When it comes to the diagonal, AC equal to BD. So what we conclude here, therefore ABCD is a square. It's very important model. So remaining two more questions are there in this model, so you can try that problem. So concept is the same concept. We should find the four distance like AB, BC, CD, DA, and AC and BD, the diagonal. Four sides are equal and diagonals also equal, so that it is a square. If four sides are equal, the diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. If opposite sides are equal, the diagonals are equal, then it is a rectangle. If opposite sides are equal but the diagonals are not equal, then it is a parallelogram. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. So we have to find a point. The point is there on the x-axis, but that point is equidistant from the given 2 points. First of all, the given 2 points we can take as, let A 2, -5 and B is -2, 9. The given 2 points we can take as A and B. So one is 2, -5 and other one is -2, 9. That is A and B. Now the point on x-axis we should take as P. So let P x, 0. Why I am taking here x, 0? Because the point on x-axis is x, 0 form, and the point on y-axis is 0, y form. So I repeat once again, the point on x-axis x, 0, the point on y-axis you should take 0, y. So the question here given the point on the x-axis, so that I have taken p x, 0. So let p x, 0 with a point on x-axis. So as per the problem, now the P is a point is equidistant from A and B. Now we should find the PA distance and PB distance. So first of all, what is the distance formula here? The distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we should find the distance between P x, 0 A 2, -5. Okay, that equal. So this means it's a distance between PA, right? So we write here distance between PA, that equal. Again we should find here the distance between Px, 0 and a point B -2, 9. Okay, so here we can take like this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So again this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, so now we should take root of, why we have taken like PA equal to PB. The reason is the point on x-axis, that is Px, 0 is equidistant from the 2 points A and B, so that PA distance is equal to PB distance we should get. Now we are finding now x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, this is -5 minus 0 whole square equal to root of, here also x2 minus x1, that is -2 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 9 minus 0 whole square. Now we take squaring on both sides. Take squaring on both sides. Then what we get here, the previous one root of 2 minus x whole square That means previous we wrote that PA distance. This is 2 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1. So what is y2 minus y1 here? That is minus 5 commas minus 5 minus 0 whole square is equal to, and PB distance here minus 2 minus x whole square, and y2 minus y1, that is 9 minus 0 whole square. Okay, so now when we do the squaring on both sides, here we can take square. Why we applied the squaring on both sides? To get root cancelled. Okay, now here we have that 2 minus x whole square. This 2 minus x whole square we can write in the form of like a minus b whole square form, so that this is a square minus 2ab. 2 into a is x, and that is a is 2 and b is x, plus x square, plus this 5 minus 0 is 5, 5 square is 25. That equal, this is minus 2 minus x whole square, you can write as minus 2 square. Consider this is like a and this is b, in the middle minus, so a minus b whole square form, this is a square minus 2ab, 2 into, again a is minus 2, but the b is here x, plus b square, plus 9 minus 0 is 9, so 9 square is 81. Now we can cancel this x square on both sides, then we get here the 2 square is 4, minus here 2 2s are 4, 4 into x, 4x, minus 4x, plus 25, that equaled, here it is minus 2 square, this minus 2 square is plus 4, minus of minus plus 2, minus of minus plus, and 2 2s are 4, so 4 into x, this is 4x, plus 81. Now add these two numbers, because of the numerical values are there. 25 plus 4 is equal to 29, this is 29 minus 4x, that equaled here 4 plus 81, this is 85, plus 4x. Now what we do here, just we can transpose this 4x from right hand side to left hand side. To get the value of x, we should transpose here, so then we get minus 4x, and this place 4x become minus 4x, that is equal to, here we have 85, this plus 25 becomes minus 25, so minus 4x, that is minus 8x, equal this 85 minus 29, this is equal to 56. Now x is equal to, so when you transpose from here to there, then it is 56 divided by minus 8. So again we can cancel by the 8 table, so 8 once 8, 7 times are cancelled, then you will get the value of x is equal to minus 7, minus 7. So therefore the point on x-axis we have taken as p x comma 0, so that is minus 7 comma 0. The next problem from the same exercise, if the distance between the 2 points x comma 7 and 1 comma 15 is 10, find the value of x. So for this we take the points as it is, the points, given points a x comma 7 and b 1 comma 15. So these 2 points we take as one is x1 y1, this is x1 y1, and this is x2 y2. Now the distance formula is d for distance. Okay, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, so root of x2 minus x1, that is here 1 minus x whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 15 minus 7 whole square. Don't forget this is AB distance, but AB distance already given here, it is 10, so that I should take that is equal to 10. Now what I do, squaring on both sides to cancel this. So squaring on both sides to cancel the root, I should take squaring on both sides. Now it is 1 minus x square plus this 15 minus 7, it becomes 8, so 8 square is equal to 10. When we are taking the squaring on both sides here, so that this square and root get cancelled, we have 1 minus x whole square plus 64, that is equal to, this is 10 square, 10 square is 100. Now we should take 1 minus x whole square, that equal 100. This plus 64 become here minus 64. We write here minus 64. Then it is 1 minus x whole square equal 100 minus 64 equal to 36. So now in the next step what we do, 1 minus x, when we are sending this square from here to there, then it becomes a root 36. So we know very well that root 36 value is plus or minus 6. So we have the two values now, one is plus 6 and another case minus 6. So we are taking here 1 minus x is equal to plus 6 and 1 minus x is equal to minus 6. So we have the two cases. Now just we send this 1 from left to right hand side, then it become minus x is equal to 6. That plus 1 become minus 1, then minus x is equal to 5. So x is equal to minus 5. This is one of the answer for this. Now here again the same plus 1, when you transpose here, it become a minus 1. So that minus x is equal to minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. So minus minus, when we cancel, we have x is equal to plus 7. So 7 and minus 5 are the answer for this question. So the next problem is, find the value of y for which the distance between the 2 points like P and Q. So P2 comma minus 3 and Q10 comma y is 10 unit. The same model again. So the 2 points has given P2 comma minus 3. So how we done the before sum? The same model this one also. So it is Q10 comma y they gave. Now we should take the point. So this is as usual x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, so the distance between the 2 points formula is, we take root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that means the PQ is equal to root of, what is x2 here, that is 10 minus x1 is 2. So 10 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is y minus of y1 is again minus 3 whole square. But this result has given already, this is the 10 units. So that this equaled, we take here 10. Now this 10 minus 2, that become 8 square plus, and here we have y minus of minus plus 3 whole square, that equaled 10. And in the next step we write as usual, that is a squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, then what we get here, so this 8 square is become 64, 8 8 is 64 plus, and here we have y plus 3 whole square. For this all completely it is root, that equal, here we have 10. When we are taking squaring on both sides, so here square and root get cancelled, then we have 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. This is equal to 10 square is 100. Then in the next step we write y plus 3 whole square equal 100 minus this plus 64 become a minus 64. Now in the next step we write y plus 3 whole square that equal 100 minus 64 equal to 36. Then in the next step we write y plus 3 equal to root of 36. So this root 36, that means y plus 3 is equal to root 36 equal to plus or minus 6. Now we have the two cases, that is y plus 3 equal to plus 6 and y plus 3 equal to minus 6. So as usual we should transpose this one. Then we have y equal to 6 minus 3, which is equal to y equal to 3. Now in this case again plus 3 become here minus 3, then y equal to minus 6 plus 3 become minus 3, then y equal to minus 9. So here also we have the two answers, that is y equal to plus 3 and y equal to minus 9. So the most important model of this question, the next problem is find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 and passes through minus 5, 6. So first we should take a circle to understand this problem. Now look at here, we have a circle and a radius. So here in this question they gave find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 they gave. So that this is the center 3, 2 and a point on the circle. So this is the point, so this is minus 5, 6. So we should find the radius, length of the radius is asking here. So what is the length of the radius here? Length of the radius is nothing but the distance between the point on a circle and the center. So better we should write like a definition here. So length of the radius equal to distance between center and point on a circle. So using this concept, so the center of a circle is like we can take O 3, 2 and a point on a circle like P minus 5, 6. Now we should find the distance between OP. This is equal to root of x2 minus x1. So the distance formula, so we take here x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now we should apply the distance formula here. So root of x2 minus x1. So that is we take minus 5 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 6 minus 2 whole square. So that here minus 5 minus 3, which is equal to minus 8 whole square plus 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4 square. So 8 square is equal to 64. So we have root of 64 and 4 square is equal to 16, that is equal to root of 64 plus 16 is equal to 80. So this 80 how can we write? So now I am going to divide this into prime factors. So 80 we can write like 2 40s and 2 20s. So again 2 10s, so 2 5s. Okay, so that is equal to root of 80 we can write like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, so as you know very well how we write this, from every 2 number we should select one number to get a perfect square. That means 2 into 2 we get outside of the root, and here we have a root 5, that is equal to 2 into 2 is 4 root 5 units, 4 root 5 units. So this is the radius of a circle. So radius of the circle, don't forget how to find the radius of the circle, that is the distance between the point on a circle and the center. So the result we got here 4 root 5 units. So here is the next question, very important model. This is can you draw a triangle with the vertices 1, 5, 1, 5, 8 and 13, 14. So to check the given points can form a triangle or not. So it's very simple. So we should take a point like ABC and we should find the distance between AB, BC and AC. Now by using this distance, if we get like AB plus BC is greater than AC, so here I am writing that point, AB plus BC is greater than AC, so then it can form a triangle. What is AB here? Distance between A and B. And what is BC? The distance between B and C. Similarly, the AC means the distance between A and C. So if you get the distance between AB plus BC is greater than AC, then the 3 points can form a triangle. Otherwise, if AB plus BC is equal to AC, then you will get a collinear point. So collinear points cannot form a triangle. So let us see with these points can we form a triangle or not. It's a most important problem. So now I'm going to take the 3 points like let A 1, 5, B 5, 8, C 13, 14. So we should find the distance between AB. So A 1, 5 and B 5, 8. So these 2 points we can take like x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So that AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 formula. So that we write here 5 minus 1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 8 minus 5 whole square. That means we have root 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4 square plus 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 square, right? So then root 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. So root of 16 plus 9 is equal to 25, which is equal to 5 units. 5 units. So this is the distance between AB. So next we should take the distance between BC. What is the point B here? This is 5, 8 and C is 13, 14. So now we take here this is like x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So that BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1, this is 13 minus 5 whole square, and y2 minus y1, this is 14 minus 8 whole square. So 13 minus 5, this is 8 square plus 14 minus 8, this is 6 square. So 8 square is equal to 64 and 6 square is equal to 36. So by adding this both we get root of 100. So that is equal to, this is 10 units. BC is equal to 10 units. Now we should find what is the distance between A and C. So point A, this is 1, 5 and the point C is 13, 14. So this is x1, y1 and here it is x2, y2. Now we can find AC is equal to root of x2 minus x1, that is 13 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, this is like 14 minus 5 whole square. So here 13 minus 1 is 12, this is 12 square plus 14 minus 5 is 9, this is 9 square. So 12 square equal to 144 plus 9 square equal to 81. By adding this both we get root of 225, which is equal to 50. So root 225 is equal to 15. This is AC. So what we conclude here, so what we got here, that is AB is equal to 5 units, right? AB equal to 5 units we got, and BC is equal to 10 units. So AC is equal to 15 units. Okay, so these are the 3 points. These are the 3 distance we got between AB, BC and AC. Now here clearly you can observe the distance between AB plus BC. So here AB is 5 and BC is 10. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So what we conclude from this, AB plus BC is equal to AC. When we get AB plus BC is equal to AC, it cannot form a triangle. to form a triangle we should get AB plus BC is greater than AC, then only it can form a triangle. But here we got AB plus BC is equal to AC, so we can't form a triangle. Actually these are the collinear points. So collinear points means which lies on the same line like this. So with these 3 points you can't form a triangle. You can draw a line by using these 3 points. So that here our answer is very clear, that is ABC cannot form a triangle. So we can write here ABC means ABC vertices can't form or can't be formed triangle. Okay, so this is the final answer of this question. It's very, very important. So what is the question? Find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point -2, 8 and -3, -5. So first of all, the given points we should take as P, A, B. So P is here x comma y, be the equidistance from the point A -2, 8 and B -3, -5. So and here they gave it is equidistance. So you can observe here it is equidistance from the 2 points like A, B. So that we are taking here AP equal to BP. Now what is AP? So here A is a point, that is x comma y, and B is -2, 8, that equaled, and another point again A, sorry, this is actually P and this is A. Okay, so again here P x comma y, B -3, -5. So this is we take as usual x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Similarly here also it is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So root of the formula x2 minus x1, right? So here x2 is -2 and minus x, -2 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, this is 8 minus x whole square, that is equal to root of, here again x2 minus x1, that is -3 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, this is -5 minus y whole square. And in the next step we write, so root of see -2 minus x, when you take minus common from this it becomes minus of 2 plus x whole square, right? Whole square plus this is as usual 8 minus y whole square. Similarly here also we can take minus common, then we get minus of 3 plus x whole square, and we take common from this, then we have 5 plus y whole square. Okay, so now we are going to take squaring on both sides. This is so squaring on both sides, then what we get here, root of, actually this minus become a plus because here we have square. So when we are taking minus power even number, then the result will get the positive, so that it is 2 plus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square, this equal to root of, when we have again here minus power 2 it become a positive, so that this is 3 plus y whole square, and here also we have again 5 plus y whole square. Okay, so when we are taking a squaring on both sides here, so we can take square on both sides, then we can cancel square and root, then we get here in the next step. So finally in the previous step we got 2 plus x whole square plus 8 minus y whole square is equal to 3 plus x whole square plus 5 plus y whole square. So this is in the form of like a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square form we write as a square. plus 2ab means 2 into a is 2 and b is again x plus b square, that is equal to x square, plus, and this is again like a minus b whole square form, so a square minus 2ab, 2 into 8 into y plus y square, this is equal to, again this is a plus b whole square form, so that 3 square plus 2 into 3 into x plus x square plus, and this is again a plus b whole square form, so that 5 square plus 2ab means 2 into 5 into y plus y square. Now you can observe here the both side we can cancel x square and here it is x square and here y square, so this y square get cancelled. The remaining we have, here it is 2 square, that means it is 4 plus, and here it is 2 2s are 4 into x is 4x plus 8 square is 64 minus 2 8s are 16y equal to, so 3 square is 9 plus 2 3s are 6x. So this one don't get confused, 3 square is 9 and 2 3s are 6x and 5 square is here 25 plus and 2 5s are 10y. Okay, so now what we get from this 4x, so from this 4x minus this 16y and this 64 plus 4 is equal to 68 equal to this 6x plus 10 by this 65 plus 9, sorry 25 plus 9 is equal to 34. Now when we transpose this completely here, then we get 4x minus 16y plus 68 minus 6x minus 10y minus 34, that is equal to 0. Okay, so what is 4x minus 6x? That is equal to minus 2x. Here we have 4x and minus 6x, that is equal to 2x. So we write minus 2x and minus 16y minus 10y, that is equal to minus 26y and 68 minus 34, that is equal to plus 34, which is equal to 0. Now what we do, we should divide by 2 minus 2. Okay, if you divide by minus 2, then what you get, the result here, the result is this minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, sorry minus 2 get cancelled, we have plus x, here also minus 2 and minus 26, then we get minus of minus plus, so that this is plus 2 13 times, right, 13y and 2 1s 2 17, cancel this plus by minus become a minus 17, that is equal to 0. So x plus 13y minus 17 is equal to 0 is the required answer for this question. So I hope you understood this complete concept, so how to use the distance formula in the different model. The whole exercise is a very important exercise. So this is Sudhir, thanks for watching, see you soon.